from Texas, from Austin, Texas, courtesy of Brother Ben. Brother Ben, see, I'm still rocking my hat. Thank you very much. But today, I have a wig to show you, and it's from CheetahBeauty Hair. CheetahBeauty Hair. You guys know I've worked with this brand repeatedly, and their hair never disappoints. CheetahBeauty Hair. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. It's ombre. You can see dark, lighter at the tail, and we're gonna wear it so you see what it looks like. Beautiful hair from Cheetah. If you've ever bought hair from CheetahBeauty, you know that they make amazing. So before I wear it, let me show you the inside. Yeah, it's a lace wig, and it's got the band to secure it here. Those of us that favor wigs, what are we going to do without wigs? I don't know. Ladies, someone like me, I'm so accustomed to wearing wig that I don't even know what I would do without wigs. What did we do? What did we do before wigs? We're going to salon every week to go and perm our hair. Go easy, rara. To be a woman is not a joke. Men don't have all this wahala. Now we women. Okay. I'm loving it. I'm going out. I have a dinner party. I'm going to. Can you see? It's got a side parting here. There's a parting there. It's got the baby hair here, which I'm just going to slide down here. Yeah, you can see. I'm using my mirror because I can never use the camera mirror properly. So yeah, just gonna slide them here to give it. Waiting I love, oh. Now be waiting you love, oh. Waiting I love, I go do one with all my heart, oh. Go no be vodka. Mr. Money. How many of you like Ashake? I'm loving Ashake so much. I think Ashake is replacing the video now because the video is a very naughty child. A naughty boy. Keeps breaking my heart with all his shenanigans. So I'm moving my love for the video to Ashake. Yeah. You can see. Beautiful. Wow. Lovely. I'm wearing a jumpsuit. It's a green jumpsuit. I'll stand up in a minute so you can see. And this has just completed the look. Yeah. I'm going for my friend's she has a dinner party. She's invited me to. I love the pattern. It's all the way. It's this kind of curved pattern. Yeah, it's a curved pattern. I literally just threw it on like you can see. I didn't do nothing to it. Just brush and you're ready to go. I love the fact that it's 2 tones. Yeah. Lovely. Baba mi ocean wo. Ocean. Baba mi ocean wo. Ocean. Baba mi o ṣeun o ṣeun baba mi o ṣeun o ṣeun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I hope you're doing well today. Thank God it's Saturday. The weather is so lovely. I can't wait to get out. I'm all dressed up and I'm going to a dinner party. How's everyone doing? Good afternoon, good morning, welcome. And our sponsors for today's show is CheetahBeauty Hair. You can see the hair is gorgeous. This wig that I'm wearing is from CheetahBeauty. It's a very gorgeous wig. It's got 2 tones, as you can see. And it's loose, very loose. Not coily, but wavy. And it's just beautiful. Beautiful. How you guys doing? Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. So, this matter of gold digging. Gold digging. Who is digging the gold in 2024? Once upon a time, it was all about women are the gold digger. Women don't want anybody that doesn't got gold. Women are digging gold. Gold digger. They want to call you out. The same way they use Olosho today to call people out, to call women out. It was gold digger, gold digger, gold digger. But in 2024, I put it to you that everybody's digging gold. As a matter of fact, the other gender, they are digging gold more. I'll give you a few examples. This day and age, the young people tell me when they are dating, before you know, they start having conversation about, what do you do? The first question they will ask you, apart from asking you where you come from, is what do you do? What do you do? And one young person actually told me that they met someone and the guy was like, I want a secure, what's the word? Not secure. I want somebody, secure, a secured woman. And she was like, what do you mean? Is he mentally, emotionally secured? What do you mean by secured? And he said both, financially, mentally, emotionally. And she now went back and asked him, so you don't want a broke babe? And the guy said, no. I don't want a broke babe. Hey! Chineke! My gender. Move, come closer, let's gist. Uncle said, I don't want a broke babe. I want a babe that is financially secured. I know this is not even news to you guys. It's not something that you're hearing for the first time. Some of you probably who are in the dating pool, you've experienced it. But it's just something that is very, very rare. Men are very intentional about what they want. And one thing a lot of men want these days is the soft life. Men are looking for the soft life. It's not only women that are looking for soft life anymore. Uncles are now looking for soft life too. So they be asking you, what do you do? So next time you meet a guy, if you're a professional woman, next time you meet a guy, I challenge you to tell the guy that, you do a job that is not high paying. Just think of any job that, the pay is not as good as your real job. And see how they're going to react. Gentlemen and ladies, everybody's digging gold. Everybody's digging gold these days. Everybody's digging gold. And I had another story. I think I posted a bit of it about somebody I spoke to. And this was actually a guy telling me this gist. This is my ears, I hear plenty gist. The gist what they hear, you have no idea. Whereby somebody was saying that they were dating somebody. And from everything this person was telling me, I didn't say it because I didn't want to sound judgmental, but this is me telling you now from all the conversation we had. It seems to be like somebody that is a serial dater, moving from one to the other. Usually single mothers, because single mothers sometimes are more desperate. Not all single mothers, but a lot of single mothers do show up as desperate. Otherwise, why would you tell me that you moved a man who you met into your own home where you have your children? He's living with you. You took out a loan of £25,000 for him to get a car. Those of you who follow me on Instagram probably saw a post I did about that. £25,000 because he wanted to get a car. And he could not, maybe his credit is not good or couldn't afford it or whatever. You decided to put the credit on your son's name. I mean, women, I don't want to blame anybody, because when you're in love, you know how I always say on this show that the air that women breathe is affection, is love. Love is so important to women. When we see love, especially when a man starts filling your head with all those sweet nothings. I love you. You are the breath that I breathe. Without you, I'm nothing. And the kerewa is sweet. Chineke. Otilo. We are lost. We are gone. Say, babe, now, you know, I'm just trying to build up my credit, you know. I'm in between jobs, you know. Just be telling you stories that touch. What social media people call stories that touch. All for you to be able to put out. There you go. Credits. Shebi na obodo yibo with a credit card loan jebe. You be putting out. So, who is digging gold? Who is actually digging gold in this day and age, especially in the diaspora? Because, you know, I feel like when we want to talk about relationships, Africa, Nigeria, and the abroad is different scenarios. Okay? Most women in Nigeria will still be the ones that are going for men who can afford a certain kind of lifestyle, who can give them these trips, who can give them this money, buy them things. But in the abroad, another story I saw today, just as I'm recording this video, the woman was saying that how, you know, she spent a lot of money, she brought him from Nigeria. So even the narration about don't bring your wife to abroad, don't bring your wife to abroad. We need to switch this right now. Making videos. All of you that on TikTok, start making videos. Don't bring your husband abroad. So many women, and this particular one, so many women who has brought their husband abroad. You've seen the stories on my platform. And this one was talking about how she brought the man abroad and she said the man is lazy, he doesn't want to work, he's living in her house, he doesn't contribute, and he's just going around doing nonsense. And in the comment section, people were saying these are the real stories of diaspora marriage. Because when you hear men saying, oh, I came abroad, my wife threw me out, women are always filing for divorces, all those narratives everywhere. But when you get to the nitty-gritty of it, in most cases, not all, because you can never say 100%, there's always the exception, and there's always the odd story out there whereby, you know, the man did everything right, but the woman, and actually I know a story like that, where it happened here in the UK. See, the stories are too many. I'm getting them all muddled up. Let me finish that one first. This one, the guy was totally irresponsible, didn't want to work, didn't want to contribute. He just came abroad, he wants to live a large life, he doesn't want to be responsible for bills or work or make money. She got tired and she's saying, I'm going to throw him out. So you hear stories like that, and this man now will now go to a certain platform and say, Obodo Yibo women, this is what they do. They throw you out, they file for divorce. Uncle, what did you do? In this cold, in this weather, in this environment, forget the fact that we're going towards summer now, and you know, you can see I'm sweating a bit. It's usually cold. Everybody wants a warm body to lie down to. If she's throwing you out, uncle, what did you do? So the other side of the story is this one, where this lady, she's been single for too long. She's a single mother. I think she just wanted to be you know how people have mocked you, they said so many things, and they thought you will never marry. And this is you now in your 40s, single mother, never been married, and you finally find a man to marry you. So in this one, the story, I think she's more interested in being I'm still a Mrs. than even the marriage itself. Because no kerewa, no companion, like she's the way they live. You know how you'll be married, but it's like you're not married. They have zero in common. They don't do anything together. 1 minute she's here, 1 minute she's there, 1 minute she's doing something with this, she's doing something with this. The husband is just, the worst part is that, okay, even if you are doing all those, you are traveling or you are, you know, all your lifestyle is around your friends, but at least you will come home and you will still sleep with your husband. Gentlemen and ladies, even kerewa does not exist. There is no kerewa in this one. I'm like, and the uncle was like, since I arrived UK, so number of years, there's no kerewa. Like, come on now, what are you talking about? How is there no kerewa? said, Kerewa. So, yeah. Some people are more interested. Some ladies, especially if they've been single for so long, they are more interested in showing their friends, Pepe, yeah, you said I will not marry, I'm married now. It's impressing people to say I'm married now. You thought it won't happen for me, but not totally interested in making the marriage work, or not having the tools or willing to learn to make the marriage work. So, like I said, it's neither here nor there. The stories are individual, but things are happening. So back to my wig. Do you like it? Do you like the wig? Yeah. This is from CheetahBeauty hair. Yeah. I'm rocking it. It's a beautiful, gorgeous two-tone, lovely, lovely hair from CheetahBeauty. If you're interested in this hair and other hair from CheetahBeauty, please check out the website on the screen, and in the description box you will see all the details. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see my pictures and posts about this hair. It's really lovely. I didn't do nothing to it, I just threw it on. I think it's really, really nice. It's 100% human hair. And the thing about CheetahBeauty hair is that the density is usually 180. So it's full, but not too full, so that it's just the right volume. I love it. So go digging. Who is digging gold? In 2024, seriously, who do you think is digging gold more? Women used to be the gold diggers, but I put it to you that men are actually digging gold as well now. Men are going for women who can bring something to the table. You know those conversations? What do you bring to the table? What do you bring to the table? It's all about the gold. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. It's all about the bag. Let's be honest. It's all about the bag. It's all about securing the bag and all that good stuff. So, yeah. I think if you come together for the right reason, seriously, and you are genuine with one another, you really want to make it work, it doesn't matter whether you are the one that has the bag or is the man that has the bag, as long as you are collaborating. The problem is when one person is only interested in the bag to enslave the other person, to work for them, and then they have ulterior motive to dump, to use and dump. That's where the wahala will come in. I don't think anybody should use anybody. Whether you are a man, don't use women. If you're a woman, don't use men. See, emotional pain is not easy. People have been known to buy themselves because of emotional pain. So I don't believe in using people. Just be kind. Treat people with love and respect. And give unto others what you want to receive in return. Everybody, at the end of the day, will have to contribute to make these things work. But all I know is that in 2024, men are digging the gold. They are really, really seriously digging the gold now. So shine your eye. Make sure that they are not only interested in you because of what they can get. Paying their bills, borrowing money, giving them money. Don't use anybody. Yeah, let's be kind. All right, thank you very much, everybody. Just gonna draw the curtains today. It's a very short one, just showing you this beautiful, gorgeous hair from CheetahBeauty. If you like it, check the description box for this hair and many more from CheetahBeauty. CheetahBeauty hair. Thank you very much. 100% human hair. Look fabulous this summer. Feel good, look good. Go out there, have fun. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir.